Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total 5 websites where we can create a very high quality do follow directory submission backlink. So the first website name is directorydirect.net. So this is a website dashboard. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So now we can start here. So simply you can see this is a website URL and I can all the websites URL I can provide in the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So simply you guys can click on the add site button and then after that you guys can fill your title for the which URL is you wanting to do directory submission. So you guys can generate a title and the description for your respective URL, and after that you guys will fill your description. There you guys can add your URL. Then after that there you guys can choose your email, your brand name and email address. Then after that you can choose your category, and after that you can verify your captcha and you can click on the continue button. Once you guys can complete these things, then after that you can see this is pop-up message. So link is submitted and waiting for the approval. So this site can go to approve instantly approve your directory backlink. So simply you guys can click on the latest site button once you guys can complete these things. So you can see this is our directory submission backlink, and this is details button. You can click on this and after that you will able to found your landing page URL. See, this is your directory landing page URL and this is details about your directory submission, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, and this is a contextual backlink. You can see this is your targeted keyword. Okay, so now we have completed our first directory backlink on this site. So now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is globaldir.org. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And after that you will see there is a add site button. You can click on this and there you guys can fill your all the details. So there you can add your title. So title is already generated, and let me add it, and there you guys can add your directory URL, and there you guys can fill your description. So let me add this, and there you guys can add your company name and your email ID. Then you can choose your category, and after that you can verify your captcha and you will click on the continue button. Once you guys can complete these things, then after that this site will show you the message, and after that you will click on the latest site button. So you will see this is our directory submission backlink. This is approved now, and you guys will see there is a link details button. You can click on this button and you are able to see your directory landing page URL. So you can see this is your directory landing page URL, and this is details about all the things. So all the directory submission websites can provide you a do follow backlink. So that's why I'm ignoring these things to verify all the things. So okay. So the next website name is directory6.org, and there you can see there is a submit link button. You can click on this. Okay, so right now they have closed. We are sorry, but link submission are closed. We will be back in 24 hours. So right now this site is closed this option because of there are I don't have any idea. So why they have closed? So they will give a message to we will back in 24 hours. So you guys will check on your dashboard. So right now I'm creating, so that's why. Okay, so the next website name is molbule.ru. So this is a website dashboard. So this is a Russian website. So first thing we can convert into English, and after that you will see and I can show you in another website, so where you guys will create. Right now I have created in this using this Gmail ID, so that's why they have I have already logged in this site. So you can see jobma, personal data, and all the details. So I can show you in the another website so the process. So let me copy the whole URL and I can paste it over there. I can provide all URL, and there you will see you can convert the language into English, and after that you can see there is a register button. You can click on this, and there you guys can again, yeah, so there you will add your company name. So I guess I have already created in this site, so let me use another Gmail ID. Yeah, so there I can add our company name. Company name is DML training, and after that you guys can choose your password. I have already created on this site as well. So you can see this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So simply there you guys can add your password and your email ID, then you guys can verify your captcha. Once you guys can complete these things, so let me log in on this site. I guess, yeah. So I have entered, so let me convert in English. So after that you can, once you guys can create your profile, what you guys have to do, so simply you guys can click on the your there now your username, and after that you can see there is another details. So once you guys can click on this, so you can see there is a change personal data button. You can click on this button, and from there you guys will start optimizing all the details. Okay, so there you guys will add your company name, and there you guys can add your website URL. So DML training, let me add this, and the location is India, and there you guys can add your description, company description, and after that you can click on the save changes button. So again after that, once you guys can complete these things, so you guys can click on this, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is approved backlink or not. So this is the already approved backlink. So process is the simple. Simply you guys can create your profile, and after that you can navigate, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a 3 high quality do follow backlinks. So now the time is, so the next website name is populardirectory.biz, and there you can see there is a submit link button. You can click on this button. Okay, there is a same message. So we will be back in 24 hours. So you guys will check this site on your system if this site is working. So you guys will create your directory backlink on this site. So okay, yeah, so today we have covered total 5 websites. So 2 websites are not working right now. So you guys will check on your system when you guys are watching this video. So okay, yeah, so this is the process for the backlinking on these sites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.